Okay, everybody. Hope everyone's doing well. Coming to you from my kitchen table right now. Um, Wanted to go over this week's work. So let me start with that under announcements. It's not live yet, but it's going to be this one, generators and respirators packet. The link is going to be here, which you've obviously found if you're watching this. And the date's right here. This packet is going to focus on generators, and I just figured I'd put in respirators too, since there's so much talk about it. So there's a PowerPoint on that, on respirators, different types and all that. Good luck trying to find them right now, but there they are. And what it is, like this talks about it right here in Weekly Assignments at a Glance. You can read that on your own time. The packet, well, actually, I'll go over it now. There's videos, 5 videos, so you're going to list 2 interesting points that stood out to you for each one. There's 2 trade pubs, and then there's also 2 PowerPoints that you're going to watch that have 5 questions each in those, as well as logging in every day, and I'm going to be putting some questions out there about on the discussion page about either respirators or generators. So it sounds like a lot, but it's really not. If you put this all together, it doesn't take a real lot of time. So, but chip away at it. Don't save it all till Tuesday. All right. Even though this is going to bridge for week 1, your vacation. All right. So let's take a look at this. I'm going to bring up Shobi generators. Okay. So here's the packet right here. Make this a little bigger. And there we go. Okay. So here's the packet. Section 1 is 2 PowerPoints. PowerPoint number 1, this link right here. The links don't work in this file, so you have to just go to, you could copy and paste the link in the browser, that would work, or you can just go to the other comment I have right in Shobi and click right on PowerPoint 1 link. It will bring you there. It's got these 5 questions that are in this PowerPoint. So no trick questions, it's right in there. Then PowerPoint 2, it's about respirators. You'll probably find it kind of interesting because of the times we're in right now. Maybe after this all breaks and they actually have some of these things available, I'm going to go out and buy myself one. But good information on them right here, and 5 questions. So this one is the PowerPoint that's on your Shobi folder, in your Shobi folder. I'll show you what that is. Then 2 trade pub writing assignments. These are on generators and motors. This one's on motors. And as you see, I've copied the graphic organizer right in here. Step 1 and step 2. And then step 3 on this is when you put it all together as a one summary right here. This is the grading. This is on all the graphic organizers. Nothing new there. Except don't forget to underline, and don't forget to do source, author, topic in the topic sentence. Okay, let's go on to here. Second one is how does a generator work? And here's the link to that. You could copy and paste it on your browser or use the link that's in the other comment in Shobi. Then step 3 of that. Then here's the videos, section 3, 5 videos, 2 interesting points from each. So just watch these videos. They're short, very good information on generators and frequency, mostly about generators, but this one has a little bit more on alternating current, direct current, and what frequency is. That's talking about hertz, and really it's like the speed of your electricity. Motors, generators, a lot of good information there. So that would be good to start to jump into that. That's page 6 of 6. All right, so we go back to this. If I can make it smaller, it's not cooperating. There we go. Okay, so we were just looking at this packet right here. This is one of the PowerPoints. It's just right here for you. I didn't link to it online. And then here's the links I was talking about because they don't work in that file. They'll just open right from here. This is the PowerPoint link. These are the TradePub links. These are the video links. I do want you to do all the information in the packet. I want you to write in the packet. I don't want like a bunch of files, all these different files. Just do it all right in that packet. You can write right on it, all right? It's a PDF file, so you can write right on it. If you have any questions, just text me. Hope everyone's staying safe out there. I know I am. I do have one of those respirators, not quite as good as some of the ones in that PowerPoint, but I have one with the two things on the side. So I've been wearing that out when I go shopping and wearing goggles and everything, so I look pretty radical. I bet you'd all like a picture of that. I don't know if I'm going to put that out there, though. We'll see. Hope everything's going well. Hope your families are doing well. And be careful out there. You know, this stuff can be serious for young people as well as you don't want to catch it and infect some people that have compromised immune systems or older people like myself. But anyway, be careful out there. All right. All right. Well, have a great week, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.